Hello, everyone! Welcome to Virtual Orientation for Social Work students. First, we are going to discuss about the Organization of Junior Social Workers. So what is OJSW? OJSW, or Organization of Junior Social Work, is a working team formed due to having an election among the social work students. OJSW is an organization that aims to monitor and encourage all the learners of social work to be resilient and brave enough to face their challenges. Also, this organization is created to serve the social work students. In addition, every school who offers social work program have its own organization. And in our program, with the help of OJSW, we could easier link to other universities and connect to those people who have the same profession to us, whom a student leader that have a common goals and objectives for the good and well-being of the social work students. We, as the student leader of OJSW from Occidental Mindoro State College, give you an assurance amidst of this COVID-19 pandemic that we are one chat away and willing to help you through the challenges you encounter as a student learner. We born to be equal, thus we are here to be one. And now, I'm going to present the objectives of OJSW. 1. To develop and enhance the capabilities of every student of Bachelor of Science in Social Work. It means that social work learners will be able to reach their full potential, wherein they will be able to show their skills, knowledge, and abilities in their working task, and as well as to perform what they've learned in the profession. 2. To make available real exposure, experience, and learning in the field of social work. According to the international definition of social work is a practice-based profession and academic discipline, wherewith the students need a proper experiences and depth understanding and knowledge, because our experiences, learnings, and knowledge will guide and bring us on how to become an effective social worker in the future. 3. To promote and encourage camaraderie, unity, and friendships through wholesome relationship of the social work students. It only means that everyone is encouraging to treat their fellow students as a friend, because friendship will be the key to have a unity and achieve the success that each of us always aim for. Oops, before we forget, social work students have a mandatory requirement: the membership fee. All members shall pay semester membership fee of 50 pesos to be collected by the organization's treasurer. What is the purpose of membership fee? Ang 50 pesos po na ibabayad ninyo, mga freshmen, pati na rin ang mga seniors, ay para sa mga future plans na gagawin. And possible din na may mga event na pang-national, which is the JSOP activities. And to make us join, we should pay membership fee. Thank you. And now, let me introduce to all of you the list of OJSW officers with their duties and responsibilities. Ms. Rosa May Caparas, the President. She shall preside over all meetings and supervise and manage all the activities of the organization. She shall be the official representative of the OJSW to the Occidental Mindoro State College community. Ms. Nova Chavez, the Vice President for External Affairs, and Mr. Christian Ramos as the Vice President for Internal Affairs. They shall support the President in the delivery of their duties and responsibilities. In the President's absence, they shall assume her duties and such other duties as requested by the President. They shall be the voice of the President in all external or internal affairs. Ms. Marijoy Manzanillo, the Secretary. She will take care of the minutes of all the meetings of the club. She shall prepare minutes of the proceeding of all official OJSW meetings and circulate within 1 week of the meeting. She shall maintain a file of these minutes. She shall serve as the archivist of the OJSW. She shall inform the officers and or the members of the schedule of meetings and shall generally be responsible of matters and communications. Ms. Niel Christine Arimbay, the Treasurer. She shall make a report of all collection and disbursement of funds and submit a financial report twice a semester attested by the President. Together with the President, she shall draft the program budget for the year. The Treasurer shall receive all monies of the organization, shall keep an accurate record of receipts and expenditures, shall pay out funds according to the approved budget, and shall present reports each month as required for meetings, shall turn over all the organization's records to the mayor or the next in rank at the end of the school year in case of resignation, removal, and removes from the office or permanently incapacitated. Ms. Angela Hichon, the Auditor. Together with the Treasurer, she shall conduct audit all accounts and financial records of the organization. Mr. John Paul Nicopior and Mr. Edmond Antonio, the Business Manager. Initiate, organize, implement, and supervise the income-generating activities of the organization. They will transact approved agreements inside and or outside the organization and shall report the same to the President. They will screen all project proposals and all sponsorship requests by other organizations. They will perform all other functions delegated by the President. Ms. Regina Lipustain and Ms. Ronilyn Juarez, the External and Internal Public Information Officer. They will be responsible for informing the public and serves as the spokesperson outside or inside the organization. Support the Secretary in disseminating the information outside and inside the organization. Ms. Rona May Pascual, the Academic Committee. She shall look after the academic improvement of the members of OJSW. Mr. MacJomer Salinas, the Program Committee. He shall take charge the flow of the program prepared by the organization. And last, I would like to introduce our responsible, approachable, realistic, and one-of-a-kind OJSW advisor, Sir Gilbert Ray Avena. Let's give him a virtual clap.